Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. I hope we are in good health today. The Honorable Professor Dr. Shafizal MPD is a lecturer of Seminar English Language Teaching course and all the presenters. Thank you for joining this meeting today for present the exam of Seminar on English Language Teaching is our middle test assignment by theme Pedagogical Strategies for Effective Teaching of English Language Skills. As the moderator for this presentation, would like to remind all of you, the presenters, to be all ready and prepared. Before we start the presentation, I would like to give you all the lowdown for today's activity. So all presenters will present their seminar first. If you have any questions regarding the paper or presentations, please hold it for yourself until the end of this seminar. All right, let's welcome our first presenter for this seminar, Puput Nurha Alifah. Time is yours.
All right, thank you so much, moderator. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you so much. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my presentation. It's about the senior high school students' perception of the impact of quizzes application on improving English vocabulary learning. Next slide, please. All right, so this is my self-introduction. My name is Puput Nurha Alifah, and my student number is 222-321-0003. Next one, please. And this is the contents of today's presentation from my research. First one is about the introduction. The second one is supporting theories, the methods, findings, discussion, and conclusion, and also differences. Next one, please. So the first one is about the introductions. So for the introduction, the research or my research sets the stage for exploring the impact of the quizzes applications on English vocabulary learning among senior high school students. So the highlights, it's about the technology. It's a very impact to make the English learning more interactive and more effective. And also, the introduction outlines the research focus on investigating students' perception. Of course, especially in a senior high school students, it's about the quizzes application as an educational tool for improving English vocabulary learning in the classroom. And by emphasizing the significance of technology in language educations and also the potential benefits of using quizzes. And the introduction establishes the context and for the study and its contribution to understanding the role of technology. For example, the quizzes applications, the impact of quizzes applications to improving the English vocabulary learning in English learning. Next one, please. Next one is supporting theories. Next slide. Okay, so I have many theories that I put in my research. It's more my data. It's make more my data. It's more stronger. So one of the supporting theories discussed in the concept of language as a universal mode of human interactions, emphasizing its role in communication and social interaction. And this theory underscored the importance of language proficiency in navigating diverse linguistics. And also, the theory that I put in my research is emphasizes the goal of enhancing students' capabilities in communications and fluency, and also highlight the theoretical foundations for exploring the impact of quizzes on students' language proficiency and engagement in the learning process. Next one, please. Next is the methods. So the methods that I use to gather the data for my research is about the involved literature study and qualitative research techniques. And the instrument that I use for gather the data is observation and also interviews and the data analysis. Next one, please. Next one is the findings. So based on my finding, it's based on the interviews and also the observations that I already have before. We know that students, especially senior high school students, have a positive perception. It's about the impact of quizzes applications on English vocabulary learning among their school. And through qualitative analysis and interviews with participants, the research or my research reveals that students perceive quizzes as an engaging and effective tool for improving their English language learning, especially to learn about English vocabulary skill. So, 5 participants that I already have to gather my data, it's make it explain that quizzes is very useful to help them to learn about the English vocabulary learning. Next one, please. Next one is about the discussion. So everyone, the discussion is delves into the implications of the findings regarding the impact of quizzes application. So as I said before, the students that I have to make interviews and also the observation give the explanation that quizzes application is make them to more easily to understand about the English vocabulary learning. So it explore the significance of technology in the language education and the role of interactive platforms like quizzes application in enhancing students' engagement and language proficiency. And the discussion highlights the positive feedback, the positive explanation, the positive perception from the students regarding the effectiveness of quizzes in improving their English vocabulary skills and fostering a more interactive and enjoyable learning environment. Next slide, please. Let's go to the conclusion. All right, so everyone, based on the presentation that I already explained before, in conclusion, the study emphasizes the effectiveness of quizzes as an educational tool for enhancing English vocabulary learning among senior high school students. And the research findings highlight students' preference for quizzes over traditional assessment methods, showcasing its ability to engage students, provide valuable feedback, and create a fun learning experience. And the study underscore the positive impact, the positive perception for senior high school students to the quizzes applications to make them easily learning about English vocabulary skills. So I think that's all that I can explain. Thank you so much, everyone, for your attention. I give it back to the moderator.
All right, thank you, Puput, for the great presentation. And we move to the next presenters. Please welcome Fabia.
Thank you for the opportunity, moderator. So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. I'm Fabia Seratantia, and now I will make a seminar entitled Adapting to Technology in English Language Teaching, or ELT. Okay, next slide. What will we know? The first one is introduction, about background from the topic. The second one is literature review, some theories from others. The third is method. In this research, I use qualitative methods, involve a literature review, and the last is finding and discussion about what we get. Okay, next slide. Introduction. Common challenges in adapting to technology in ELT include limited access to devices or internet, teacher training, maintaining student engagement, and ensuring technology aligns with educational goals. Each context may have unique issues, but these are some general areas to consider. Next slide. ELT, or English language teaching in Indonesia, is transforming the way language learning is taught, making it more accessible, engaging, and personalized for students worldwide. Technology integration in ELT includes various tools and resources such as e-learning apps, language labs, online platforms, digitalization, multimedia devices, mobile phones, learning apps, flashcard, audio-visual, multimedia content, e-text solution, and social media. However, there are multimedia However, there are challenges in integrating technology in LT, such as teacher attitude and technology used in Indonesian EFL classroom. The need for teachers to be familiar with contemporary learning theories, and the last is the importance of critical thinking skills for students. The next slide is about supporting theories. I have so many theories, but in this seminar, I just give you three theories. The first one is, according to Eastman 2012, it is the practical use of knowledge in a given area and a way to complete a task, notably employing technological procedures, method, or skill technology. Encompasses not only computer hardware and instrument, but also structure interaction with humans, machine, and the environment. And the next, from Murphy et al. 2003, technology is a useful resource for learning. Learners must use technology into the academic process. Teachers must lead the use of technology throughout the curriculum so that students can improve their actual use of technology in language learning. And the last is from Kaiser et al. 2011. Technology can help learners cooperate more effectively. Cooperation is an essential tool for learning. Learners collaborate to develop prospect and learn from one another by reviewing other people's work. Okay, next slide. Slide. Okay, about the methods used in this study is qualitative methods involve a literature review. The researcher defined the terms technology and technology integration, explain the use of technology in English language teaching or ELT. Review previous studies on using technologies to improve language learning skills and using technologies to improve language learning skills and provide recommendations for the better use of these technologies to assist learners in improving their learning skills. The study likely synthesized existing research and analyzed the findings to draw conclusions about the role of technology in language learning. Next slide, about findings and discussion. The findings is some research has been conducted on the benefits of implementing technology in English language teaching and learning. According to Hennessy 2005, the use of ICT serves as a catalyst for pushing teachers and students to work in new ways. The researcher recognized that when students get autonomy, teachers believe they should encourage and support their students to behave and think freely. The use of computer-assisted language learning, or CALL or CALL, improves learners' learning attitude and self-confidence. Information and communication technology, or ICT, provide various advantages for teaching and learning. First, learners take an active role which helps them retain more information. Follow-up talks involve more information, allowing learners to become more self-sufficient. Finally, learners can digest new learner-centered educational materials, and improve their language learning abilities. Next slide. And from the discussion, the usage of technology has shifted instructional methodologies from teacher-centered to learner-centered. Teachers should be facilitator and guides for their students' learning, and this transformation will help students learn more effectively. And according to Gillespie 2006, using technology encourages learners to cooperate in learning tasks. It helps kids gather information and interact with resources like video. There are two alternative approaches to incorporating technology into the classroom. First, the cognitive approach allows learners to have meaningful exposure to language and create their own knowledge. And the second, the social method, requires learners to have opportunities for actual social interaction in order to practice real-life skill. This goal can be achieved by having students collaborate in real-world activities. Okay, next slide. This is about discussion 2, but from Baitak, Taman, and Ayas 2011. Now we go to conclusion. Okay, and the conclusion is when technology is used appropriately, it can bring about a lot of advantages to teachers and learners. It is a resource that can be used by learners because it helps them solve their learning problems and find methods to use what they have learned in ways and meaningful. Furthermore, the research study found that the use of technology plays an important role in language learning since it allows learners to learn at their own pace, age, and self-understanding, does not interrupt interaction with the teacher, and promote high motivation in learners for effective language learning. Okay, I think that's all for me, and thank you for your attention. I give it back to the moderator.
All right, thank you, Fabia, for the great presentations. And the next presenters is Sri Mulyati. Please welcome Sri.
Okay, thank you, moderator, for the time. I will presentation about improving teaching English with game based learning. Sri Mulyati 222-321-0010. Okay, the next is introduction. The introduction is teacher or student from the younger generation are proficient in using technology. They are healthy reliant on technological tools and they use them to participate fully or partially in the target language. For student, learning any subject through traditional method is no longer engaging or motivating. Students are more actively engaged in the learning process, and the outcomes of teaching and learning produce effective outcomes. Furthermore, when it comes to the process of teaching and learning, success will bring satisfaction to both educators and students. Universitas Tanjung Pura Indonesia et al. 2021. English learning is one of the lessons that is least provided by students. They think English is very difficult lesson. Therefore, by organizing games in the lesson, it is hoped that it will build student motivation in participating in English lesson. In addition to create enjoyable activities for students, participate in game-based learning involves planning text that present idea and direct user toward a learning goal. Poe and Dinosaurs 2015. It's believed that using educational games can meet the needs. Universitas Tanjung Pura Indonesia et al. 2020. The next is supporting theories. These days, the question in education is not so much whether or not to use these technological tools, but rather how to best utilize them to enhance learning. Bado and Franklin in 2014. New technologies encourage student engagement with the material and engage the quality of instruction. Pampers 2018 and Universitas Putra Malaysia et al. 2020. These arts and text can be positioned on continuum that can span from drill and perceive to higher cognitive skill like critical thinking when talking GBL in digital environments to consideration simultaneously that selective activity might impact the student in both positive and negative ways. Can et al. 2018. As a result, to have a successful GBL activity, the learner abilities and the degree of challenge must be balanced, especially if the objective is vocabulary learning to prevent both boredom and anxiety. Coyers et al. And the next is method. Research design utilizing qualitative research technique. This study used the interview with one of the students of SMPN 1 Pabuaran as a sample to find out student opinions on the learning style used in the classroom. The next is findings. The interview was conducted directly or face-to-face with determined schedule to meet, and finally the student went to be research person to be interviewed. The day of the interview with one of the third grade students, SMPN 1 Pabuaran, it was known that the student named Hayula Nafisatu Sa'dia said that the learning carried out in her class was still the same as the learning when I was in school, where the teacher explained the material being studied. There was no game session carried out with them of the lesson. Learning is carried out as usual after the teacher explains. Students are given assessment, but now the assessment are the form of papers, and students will make presentation in front of their friends. The next is discussion. With this game method, our students are expected to become more active, especially students of SMPN 1 Pabuaran. But at this time, there are not many teachers who apply to method. With this, students are able to express their idea. Not only that, if the game used in the result of studying creatively, this will be very good because students are able to thinking critically, create new things and a new atmosphere in the classroom. Many challenges will certainly be faced by both students and teachers, but with new idea and idea collaborated between teacher and student, this will be one of the extraordinary things. Subject matter and gameplay are combined in game-based learning or GBL ranges to 2020. GBL has the potential to be very motivation in that offers incentives in the form of instant feedback on each design model or response provided. When students said learning can be enjoyable, as it propels them to the next level. GBL helps people learn from their mistakes and improve cognitive process. Pupils can up to repeat on activity in on effort to try on do better. The next is conclusion. The conclusion is the younger generation is increasingly using technology to engage and motivate themselves in learning subjects such as English. Game-based learning can be a valuable strategy for English teaching as it boosts student participation, encourages collaboration, and improves brain function. However, teachers often have difficulties in selecting and integrating appropriate games into their curriculum and measuring student academic progress and achievement. Despite the benefits of game-based learning, there are still concerns about measure studying English language skill, the increasing integration of digital games into educational setting, and the popularity of educational apps and online platforms that use game elements to teach various subjects. This demonstrate the social acceptance and demand for interactive and engaging learning methods. That's all for me. Thank you. I give you back to moderator.
All right, thank you, Sri Mulyati, for the great presentation. And the next presenter is Firda Ayu Wahyuni. Please welcome Firda.
Thank you, moderator, for the opportunity. Let me introduce myself. My name is Firda Ayu Wahyuni. Here I will explain the results of my research. Next slide. The title is Possibilities and Problem Communicative Language Teaching Through Speaking Activities in Classroom. And there is 3 questions. Next slide, please. For the first, how effective is the implementation of CLT principle in developing students' English speaking skills? And the second, what are the challenges faced by teachers and students in adopting CLT practice in the English language in classroom? And the third is, how can the CLT technique be further improved to engage students' English speaking skill in the classroom? I hope when I explain the results will answer the research question. Next. Abstract. According to Harmer, CLT prejudiced native speaking teachers by demanding relatively uncontrolled language use from students and thus expect teachers to be able to respond to any language problem that might arise. In this paper, the discussion turned to the question of how to deliver language content to students so that they can learn the language effectively and analyze the possibilities and the problem. From the title, when implement CLT, there is problem and there is possibility from many aspects, like from students, teachers, or CLT method itself. But when the teachers and students make adaptation, this method approve CLT effectively because CLT method makes students more confident, especially for speaking in classroom. Next slide. Introduction. According to Burns, of communicative language teaching or CLT, the focus of communicative language technique is on communication as the method and objective of learning a foreign language. The goal of language interaction and communication is to enable learners to apply the target language in a range of settings. By using the CLT method, teachers expect students to be able to speak English because in the learning process, students are freedom to speak English without having to pay attention to grammar. The main goal of CLT method is to make students confident to speak, but much students are afraid and shy of making mistake in speaking because they are not confident and do not have enough self capacity. Whereas the main purpose when we are learning a language is we can speak and apply in our daily life, right? Speaking is productive skill and the most important abilities in communication and language. Therefore, many English teachers prioritize helping all their students developing their speaking skills. But remember, acquiring language, we must a lot of listen. After that, we can speak. And many teachers who have implemented CLT have proven that CLT has an effect on improving students' speaking English skill. Next, theoretical background. Next slide.